Hi buddy, good afternoon. I'm doing a rack commit from Token City. This is task number 2. You have been provided with a collection of user artifacts and a packet capture from the affected machine. Your task is to investigate the suspicious application and stand out the file where altered, recover the encryption material and decrypt the victim data to uncover what was hidden. So your file download here or download there. If you download them, you have a zip file. We have this one. We can get a pickup file. That's our pickup with Wireshark. And then we have artifact you can use. We have developer. We have desktop is not there. A document we have look like an encrypted data there. We can keep that one there. And then if I go there, we have a download. Interesting in a download file. The rest is not interesting, but if I go to the download file, I'm already there. We can set these cut straight to open this one. This is what electron zip file, what they call it. I forgot what they call it. But in any case, that's where is it? Wait, look too long. So this one just style, and then if you start reading down, interesting, it said IV. When you see an IV like that, possibly a high chance is an IS encryption. So we have an IV is in hex, we have it. Then we have a domain, we give it as domain is a target directory, is targeting user, developer, and document folder. And output says data, so some kind of encryption. If we go back to our domain file, you can see is encrypting a VP document folder. Sys data, no, what sys data is path join the output directory, and then you can see here he calling it DNS for this domain, he calling it this Google or Cloudflare, calling that, and then getting the txt record. The txt record become the key for this encryption. You can see the IS here. So we know so basically we have the IV, we don't have the key. Key is a DNS request. So we just need to go to Wireshark and you can show DNS. So DNS query name equal the domain that we have. And now more interested in the response flag, and the response, if you can see it, you can see the question, the query, a response, that's the key. So use the key as encryption file. Now what else? And then you just do his encryption and getting from DNS flag. You have the key, so you get the key from DNS and do his encryption, and that's it. So now what that means for us, we can come here, we can open whatever we want to open. For example, we can open a VPN binary decryption. We can get IS decrypt. What's going on here? So we have the IV is this one, and then we have Wireshark, give me the key, copy value, the key, and CBC mode, the input is raw, and then we can see the decryption temporary password, but flag is not there, so we can open the next one. Notes is also not there. We can open next data sets, also not there. But if I open the research, oh, now it tells me it's PDF. You don't need to click there, you can just save the output. Let's call it PDF, download.pf. If you open that, and then you can see I research division, top secret, and you get your flag in the bottom. So this one is straightforward. You just need to understand the encryption, CBC, and raw, and IV, and basically you go to information. This one is straightforward. This is a quick task. Thank you very much and have a good day.